just want to say I'm sorry.
Hold up, I got a confession.
Okay guys, to start off, I'm going to begin with my eyebrows. I'm going to take my spoolie and just brush my eyebrows out. And I'm getting ready to fill them in. Okay, so now I'm just taking a brown eye pencil and I'm just going to follow the shape of my eyebrow. And since I'm going for a natural look, I'm not going to fill them in too much. And now I'm going back in with my spoolie. I'm just going to try to blend out the front area.
Maybe you're in Australia, maybe even on the coast, disguised in regalia and making the most of the most.
And I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution concealer. And now I'm about to just outline them. So the foundation I'm taking is, of course, my MAC Studio Fix Fluid. This is the NW45. And I'm only going to be adding a little bit because, like I said, this is a natural makeup tutorial. And I'm taking my Makeup Revolution concealer again. This is in the shade C13. I honestly love these concealers. I really do. I'm going to add a little bit. And the reason why is because look how thick that is. Like, you only need a little bit, honestly. Okay, now I'm taking my beauty blender and I'm just gonna blend this out. Okay guys, so now I'm about to set my highlight with my Maybelline Fit Me translucent powder. I'm only going to be using a little bit of this because I don't want to turn into a ghost. But I'm just going to dab this on there everywhere that I highlighted. Okay, and I'm going to bake. I'm not really baking this powder. I don't think you can really bake with, but what I will do is I'm gonna let it sit for just a little bit and then go in with my all over face powder and just pretty much dust it off and blend it in. But now I'm about to just move on to contour, and I'm not going to be using any like foundation or concealer to contour with. I'm just going to strictly use powder. I feel like that kind of helps with looking more on the natural side versus caking my face up with a lot of product. So of course I'm taking my Itsmyrayeraye palette and I'm going to go in with these two right here, Mocha and Brownie Bite. I like to mix them in together. Okay, I'm just going to dust my brush off. Okay, like I said, I'm just going to mix these two together. And the reason why is because I feel like this is too dark for me and this is definitely too light for me, so when I mix them I get the perfect shade. And I'm just gonna contour underneath my cheekbones. Make sure I blend that in. And I like to go upwards with it, leading into my forehead. And since I have baby hairs, I have to be really, really careful. Kind of just dab it on there. Okay, moving back to when I highlighted, I'm about to take my all over face powder. And this is by Black Radiance. This is in the shade Beautiful Bronze. And I'm just going to go over where I placed the translucent powder to just help blend this in better with my skin. Okay, now moving on to blush. I'm going to take, of course, my e.l.f. palette in the darkest shade that they have. And I'm going to be placing this right on my cheeks. And lately I've been putting this on my nose, like the bridge. I feel like that helps really warm up my face. Now we're going back to my Itsmyrayeraye palette and I'm going to highlight now. And since we are going for a natural look, I will be taking the darkest highlighter that she has, which is French Toast. This one right here. And I'm just going to be highlighting the usual spots you highlight.
Disguised in regalia and making the most of the most
I'm going to be going in with the color Spice. It's like this really pretty mud color there. And I'm going to be putting this all over my lid.
Maybe you're in Australia, maybe even on the coast, disguised in regalia.
And that right there just really made my eyes really warm. And now I'm going to be going in with the color Brick. It's like another orange color, a little bit darker. And I'm going to be placing this in my outer corner. And I'm going to just blend this in. And now I'm going to be going in with the color Rich. I'm going to put this in the middle, blending it towards the last color I just did, which was Brick, just to darken it up some because it was looking a little bit too orange. I am liking how that looks so far. And now I'm about to take a shimmery shade. This is in the color Stone. And I'm also going to be placing this in my inner corner.
Maybe you're in Australia, maybe even.
Not too much, just a little bit. So we are all done with the eyeshadow. I am not going to do false lashes just because I feel like that doesn't look natural. Well, they have falsies that look natural, but I don't. So I'm just going to stick to mascara. And the color I'm going to go with is by Makeup Revolution. It is in the shade, let me see, Noble. It's one of the matte lip kits that they have. And I'm going to place this in the center of my lip and kind of just blend it in with my finger. And this is just my, who's this by? The Ruby Kisses Hydrating Lip Oil. I really love this stuff. I think it has peppermint oil in it. And it just makes my lips like really tingly. And I love like that cool feeling. I don't feel like reading that, so I'm just gonna put this on. Just a little. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys definitely want to see like more looks from me, just, you know, leave it down in the comment section below. Tell me guys how you like this one. And yeah guys, this is my natural makeup look. Very simple, minimum product. Give you guys a side profile. And of course, I will have all the products that I used in the description box down below. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell because y'all know YouTube be playing about that. And yes, so see you guys in my next video. Bye!